Hey everyone! Welcome to this deep dive into the Amex Everyday Credit Card, where we'll be talking about everything you need to know before you decide whether this card is right for you. Let's get started by looking at what the Amex Everyday Credit Card offers. One of the biggest selling points? There's no annual fee. That's a great feature, especially if you're someone who's looking for a card that rewards your everyday spending without having to worry about an annual cost. This card also comes with a reward system. You earn 2x points at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, and 1x point on other purchases. It's designed to help you earn points on everyday expenses like groceries. Plus, if you make 20 or more purchases in a billing period, you get a 20% points bonus, making this card stand out from some other options. Now, let's talk about the advantages. Aside from the no annual fee and the reward system, this card has flexible points that can be transferred to various travel partners, giving you options on how to use your points, whether for flights, hotel stays, or gift cards. Also, American Express cards are known for great customer service and protection benefits, such as purchase protection, extended warranties, and fraud protection. These perks can offer peace of mind, especially when making large purchases. But what about the downsides? Well, one of the cons is that the reward system, while decent, isn't as generous as some other cards, especially those that focus heavily on travel or cashback. Additionally, the 2x points on groceries are capped at $6,000 annually, so if you're a big spender in that category, you might hit the limit and find other cards more beneficial. There's also a foreign transaction fee, which can be a deal breaker if you frequently travel abroad. In terms of cost, besides the foreign transaction fees, the card has a standard APR of between 17.24% and 27.24% based on your creditworthiness. So if you plan to carry a balance, this is something you'll need to consider. Who is this card for? The Amex Everyday Credit Card is great for people who want a no annual fee card that offers decent rewards on groceries and general spending. It's also a good fit for those who prefer to use points in flexible ways, whether for travel or other rewards. However, if you're looking for more robust travel perks or higher cashback rewards, you may want to explore other options, and that's pretty much everything you need to know. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you found this breakdown helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on getting the most out of your credit cards.